Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, you've planned the route, packed the snacks, and gassed up the car. But what's one of the most crucial ingredients for an unforgettable road trip? Amazing music. Nothing can kill the vibe of a long drive faster than a terrible playlist. Trust me, I've been there. That's why today, I'm going to share my ultimate guide to creating the perfect road trip playlist. A playlist that will have you singing along, feeling energized, and making memories that will last a lifetime. Let's get started. First up, some essential tips to keep in mind while building your playlist. Tip number 1, variety is key. You're going to be on the road for hours, so you can't just listen to heavy metal for the entire trip, unless of course everyone in the car is into that. Mix it up with different genres, tempos, and moods to keep things fresh. Tip number 2, consider your audience. Are you traveling solo, with your family, or with a group of friends? Make sure the playlist is something everyone can enjoy, or at least tolerate. Compromise is key. Maybe create a shared playlist where everyone can add their favorites. Tip number 3, playlist length matters. Aim for a playlist that's significantly longer than your expected drive time. You don't want to hit repeat halfway through your journey. Plus, having extra songs means you can skip the ones that aren't hitting the spot that day. And finally, tip number 4, and this is crucial. Download everything. You never know when you'll lose cell service, especially in remote areas. Download your playlist for offline listening to avoid any awkward silences. Okay, now let's dive into some genre recommendations to get those creative juices flowing. First up, you can't go wrong with some classic road trip rock. Think Bruce Springsteen, Tom Petty, The Eagles, Fleetwood Mac, Journey and Bon Jovi. These anthems are guaranteed to get everyone singing along. To keep the energy high, sprinkle in some upbeat pop. Artists like Dua Lipa, Harry Styles, Lizzo, and Taylor Swift have tons of catchy tunes that are perfect for dancing in your seat. For a more chill vibe, add some feel-good indie and alternative. Artists like the Lumineers, of Monsters and Men, Vance Joy, and Arcade Fire offer great sing-along potential with a slightly more relaxed feel. Depending on your destination, or just your personal preference, a dash of country can be perfect. Old favorites like Johnny Cash, Dolly Parton, and Willie Nelson are always a good idea, mixed with newer country hits by artists like Casey Musgraves, Zach Bryan, and Chris Stapleton. And finally, don't forget to include some throwback jams. Think about the music you and your travel companions loved growing up. Whether it's 90s hip-hop, 80s synth-pop, or early 2000s pop-punk, these songs will spark nostalgia and create some fun memories. Here's a pro tip to take your playlist to the next level. Create themed sections that match the scenery or the mood. For example, if you're driving through a desert landscape, create a section with songs that evoke a sense of vastness and isolation, like some Ennio Morricone or some mellow indie rock. If you're heading into a bustling city, create an upbeat, high-energy section that reflects the urban environment. This will provide the ultimate soundtrack for your journey. So there you have it, my tips for creating the ultimate road trip playlist. Now go forth, create your masterpiece, and hit the road. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. What are some of your favorite road trip songs? Let me know in the comments below. Safe travels, everyone.